this session, we will be doing user management in license assignment via security group. We have around 6 users, so we would like to create the 6 users, and then we will be creating the security group for the license, and then assigning the license through security groups. So yeah, let's start it. I have already opened Admin Center of Microsoft Entra. In here, we will be creating a new users. But if you are opening Microsoft Intune Admin Center or Microsoft 365 Admin Center, in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you will be having so all the user management and group management should be done in Microsoft Entra. So when I'm in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, here we have identity. You click the identity and you will be redirected to Microsoft Entra ID. Well, for user management and for your creation of the user accounts, so normally we are coming here, Entra ID users, and then here we have this new user. So I'm just clicking this one, create new user. It's really straightforward. We just need to fill all the information correctly. User principal name. So we would like to put the user principal name here first. So let's start it with this account. Copy. And I will paste it here. Well, we have just one domain right now, which is by default domain from Microsoft side, but you can create your own custom domains, which is a separate thing. But once you have created your custom domains, it will be visible here. Right now, we do have just one default Microsoft domain here. Okay, if you would like to make changes here, you can do it by clicking this checkbox, and display name should be the same. Copy and paste. And it will be generating the password automatically. An account is enabled, review create, and I'm not putting more information here. It's just very, very straightforward stuff here. Here you can find like all the other related information, which if you would like to put all this information, you can, but I'm not now. I'm just review and create. Successfully created user. So we have created a new user here. And it will be visible here. So this one is the new user in our tenant. I will be creating the rest user as well the same, and I will come back. I have just created all the user accounts that will be necessary for this project. So all of them are listed here. And just for double checking before we assign a license through security group, I'm just clicking one of the user and checking whether the license is assigned to this user or not. Coming to the license sections, and you can see that there is no product assigned to this user account. So now I'm just going to security groups part. In all groups, now we are creating a security group. So this is how we are creating security groups. In all the security group management should be done here in this part. Clicking on new group, security, and I'm putting the name here. And the security group should be assigned. It means we will be adding the users manually to this security group. Owner and members, I'm not adding members now, but I will be adding members later on and just create. And now if I refresh here, You can see that we have the security group here. And now I'm adding adding users to the security group members. So I will be adding all the users that I have been created for this project in this security group. Add members. Uh, okay, so I'm just selecting all those users that I need for this project. This one. Okay, okay. So I have all the users here. So to those users, I will be assigning the license and select. Now all the users are part of this group. And the other step is assigning a license to this security group. So once I have assigned a license to the security group, all these users will be getting the same license from the group. The group is already open here. I'm going to licenses. Right now, you can see that there is no license assigned to the security group. Well, it's a bit slow. I guess it's like because of the internet connection. So it's necessary to consider the internet connection as well for yourself, because there are some recommendations from Microsoft side in Microsoft articles that uh, how much should be the speed of your internet so you can meet all the requirements with Microsoft Intune projects or Intune implementation. We can see here that this group doesn't have any license assigned. No license found here. So now we are going to Microsoft 365 Admin Center back because we can manage all the licenses in Microsoft 365 Admin Center here, Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And here you can find the billing part and then licenses. In licenses part, all the licenses that your tenant have will be listed here. Right now we have just Microsoft Intune license, which is uh, 24 license are available right now for the whole tenant. I'm clicking this one and you can find users in groups. You can assign license directly to the user, which is not a preferred way. The preferred way is through groups that you can later on manage very efficiently. So now we are going to assign this license, this Microsoft Intune license to our group that we have created before. Assign a license, enter the name. So we have this security group created. I am just clicking this one and assign. You have assigned a license to this security group. Okay, I guess it will take time to assign the license to all the users. It's in progress. Now you see that the license is assigned to this security group. And if you go to the users, you will see all the users that have been licensed with this Microsoft Intune. Anyway, if we go back to Microsoft Entra again, and if I refresh here, you will see here that the Intune license is assigned to this security group. So Intune license is assigned to the security group. And then if we check the users individually, whether the license is assigned or no, so you can just go to the users, all users, and pick one of the users because the license is assigned to all of the users, and coming to the licenses here, and you will see that Intune license is assigned to this user account, and it's inherited with through this security group. So it means the license is assigned through this security group. So this is how we can manage license assignment through security group, and this is the preferred way from Microsoft, and I'm using it with this project.